Yes.
OMG. Hello.
Oh my God.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Alright, thanks everybody. Oh, shit. I wish we could do a cut and
Cut and what? What you need to fix, girl?
shush. Okay. Hello everyone. So today we are making
Today?
Happy Friday, y'all. Today we are making
Food?
a very popular Peruvian dish, which is called Lomo Saltado. Yes. What do you need? Okay. You want to say hi? Never mind. Okay, so today we're making a delicious Peruvian dish
Delicious.
called Lomo Saltado. And I want to show you how to make it. This is my way of making it. There's different ways. People add different things, but that's okay. Okay.
It's okay, but the other ways are wrong.
No, I didn't say that.
Oh, okay, no, okay.
Everybody has their own way of cooking, but this is my way, and very basic, nothing fancy, nothing big. And here are the ingredients. I posted. I think I posted the amounts of each thing that you need for today, so you can check on that. Here's what we need. So here's my steak that I cut in strips like fajita style, and I left it marinating with a bit of the soy sauce or liquid aminos, just another option, healthier option. And I grated some ginger, fresh ginger. If you don't have fresh ginger, you can use powdered ginger. It's fine, but don't use too much. You don't want a strong flavor of the ginger. So grate the ginger, a little bit of soy sauce or liquid aminos, and just leave it marinating in that for, I don't know, 15-20 minutes. Overnight is better, but up to you. Then I have onions cut not too thick, not too thin. I don't know if you can see it, Douglas. Can you focus? So they're not too thick or thin, like that. And the same with the tomatoes. It's up to you how much you like onions or tomatoes. And some parsley. Parsley? I'm sorry, not parsley. Cilantro, duh. Cilantro, people. Cilantro. Sorry.
That's not actually cilantro, people. It's just cilantro.
Chopped cilantro, very, very tiny. We have red wine vinegar and liquid aminos or soy sauce. So now I'm not done with the fries because the dish also needs fries, but we're almost done. See, as you can see, you need fries, people, right here. Fries. It's like a stir fry kind of with fries. Okay. This is what takes the longest. So start with your fries. If you're gonna make lomo, you can leave your meat seasoned in the refrigerator until your fries are done. Then you can start putting it all together. Hello, right there.
Hello.
Okay, so we're almost done. See, done, finally. This is heating up because this is where we're gonna make our lomo right there. Okay, fries are done. Say hi.
Hello.
Now we're gonna bring. Okay, stop it. Okay, I'm bringing everything to this side. This is heating up. Your pan has to be really, really hot.
Really, really hot.
Hot. If you have a gas stove, it's so much better. But unfortunately, I have an electric. Okay, so now it's really hot. I don't know if you can see the el humo.
El humo.
Translate for me, mister.
El humo.
Okay, so now you add your oil. Okay, it's really hot. Ooh, I love that. Then you add your meat.
Oh, no, not yet. Oh, yeah, there you go.
As much as you want. I don't know how much you want. Okay, I'm gonna make a little bit, not everything. Okay. Ooh.
Okay, so
Yes.
for the people that are not meat eaters or do not like red meat, more of a chicken person. Can you make this with chicken, Carmen?
Yes, you can.
And can you make this? Can you make a vegan option of this?
With mushrooms.
Which would be the better mushrooms for this kind of dish?
Shiitake mushrooms.
Shiitake. Ah, shiitake mushrooms.
You can do it with chicken. You do the chicken the same way. You dice
the chicken.
I mean, you cut your chicken in strips like fajita style. And then you season it with garlic, ginger, liquid aminos or soy sauce. Overnight is better.
Yes.
And then you use it the same way. Of course, chicken takes longer than steak to cook. So what you do,
and the problem with chicken is that it tastes like chicken.
with the chicken, same process, but at this time, if it was chicken, I will cover it, let it cook for 10 minutes or so, maybe less, depending on your heat. And then you would add the rest of the ingredients, like I'm gonna do right now with the steak.
Okay.
So you want your steak not overcooked, but like have some brown on it. See, like that.
Right.
Yummy.
Yummers.
Yummers indeed.
So just in case, people, this happened last week. If you're watching this, if you're watching it and on a watch party and you make any comments,
we won't be able to see
we
it.
won't be able to see them. So you have to come to the Inca Cookie page and watch it from there. If you want to make any comments, have any questions, want to ask Carmen anything about her personal life,
Oh my God.
how many kids she has,
So,
what her dreams are,
okay.
frustrations,
So
regrets.
as you can see, I'm not adding anything because the meat has already
being seasoned.
been seasoned with ginger, garlic, and soy sauce.
Or soy
Liquid
sauce,
aminos.
liquid aminos
For a healthier option.
for a healthier option. So I thought the shiitake mushrooms were, portobello mushrooms were the better
Either
choice.
portobello or shiitake. Yeah.
Okay.
So your fire has to be really hot.
Fire!
See, look at that.
Look at that.
amazing. Look brown.
Look at that dead cow right there.
Shush.
The sizzling.
Okay, now it looks like it's almost done cooking.
Is it, Carmen?
You add your onions as much as you like. Okay.
How much would you like
A
to
lot.
add, Carmen?
A lot. I love onions and garlic. Hello, I'm Peruvian.
Hello.
Okay. Look at that. Yeah. Do not overcook your onions.
Do
people.
not.
Do not.
Do
No soggy
not.
babies. Yes.
yucks.
Okay, so maybe another toss.
Maybe.
Okay, now we add a little bit of your soy sauce.
Ooh-wee.
And your vinegar.
Ooh-wee.
And then you add your tomatoes.
And then.
Okay. Ooh,
And then what?
yum.
After that.
Wait. Focus.
Focus.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Onion went
Oh my god. This is
No, Nyonya, it's not a steak. Okay, turn it off. Sprinkle your cilantro as much as you want.
Or like E40 says, sprinkle me,
You
sprinkle
don't
me,
want
sprinkle.
your tomatoes overcooked.
No.
No,
You
you
want them a
don't.
little crunchy,
Okay,
right?
as you can see, that's how you want it. Let me take out the steam. I don't think you can.
How do
but
you want
That's how
it?
you want it. That's how you want to look.
do
You want it to look this way.
Coming up.
Not overcooked. The onions are yummy. See, and then you mix it with your fries.
Are you just gonna throw it in there, Carmen?
Yeah, watch.
Watch and learn, people. Watch and learn.
Then you
Just do that right there. So what we did was that. What are you laughing at?
your exit.
What we did was that we actually peeled some potatoes
Okay.
and then cut them
Yep.
and then fried them.
I
Actually,
think we need more more meat.
Actually, yeah, man. Put some meat on that.
Do it again. For those of you who are just watching.
So, like I was saying before, I was rudely interrupted.
Okay, so there, people. This
There.
is how it looks. Don't toss it too much, or else it's gonna be yum.
It's gonna be yucks.
So when you serve it like this, and with some yummy rice, or omit the rice and just.
Did you make any rice?
No, because you can't have rice. So you serve it and sprinkle a little more cilantro. Cilantro on top, and you're done. Easy as that.
So this live is not gonna go as long as the arroz con pollo live did, because this dish actually
It's fast.
doesn't take that long. I mean, my preparation, you can do it the day before, preferably, right, for the meat.
No, the meat you season it the night before, preferably. Yeah.
Right.
What takes the longest is the fries. You gotta do the fries ahead of time, but not the night before. That's gross.
Not the what?
The fries you gotta do it the same day.
Yeah. So, like I was gonna say before, my train of thought was interrupted by my other train of thought. We actually got potatoes, right? And peeled them, and I peeled them and Carmen cut them. And these are actual, like, from potatoes, right?
Real potatoes.
Real, I mean, they're all real potatoes. But the other choice, a lot of times when you're strapped for time, or you don't have potatoes, you could just use frozen potatoes, frozen fries, right?
Frozen fries, yes. But the best so far that I've tried are the ones from Trader Joe's.
Right.
They're in a brown bag.
So there's many choices. This is actually a dish you can prepare the day before. Just the meat, right?
Season the meat the night before.
Right.
You cannot prepare it the day before.
Yeah, well, you prepare the meat the night before, right? You season the meat the night before.
The meat the night before, or 3 hours before on the same day.
And there you go.
Yep.
So basically, steak and fries,
Yep.
Peruvian style.
Peruvian style.
Peruvian style. Also known as Lomo Saltado.
Lomo Saltado. Any questions? Does anyone have any questions?
Actually, today is no questions today.
Awesome. Okay. I mean, not awesome, but.
Have some questions. You hurting Carmen's feelings.
Shut up. Okay, next week, what should I make?
I don't know. What should she make next week? I don't know. There's
Carapulca.
Ugh.
Carapulca is the
Well.
dehydrated potatoes.
Dehydrated. Dehydrated. Yeah, I get no requests this week for what to make next week.
Alright. So
Um,
we'll make something else though.
the audience is kind of low right now, honey. So, oh, what Danny is asking, what kind of meat are you using?
It's chopped sirloin steak.
Sirloin steak.
Yeah.
What would you call it if you go to the Mexican store?
Oh, if you go to the Mexican store, you have let's see, options. You can get bola, which has less fat, but you always want a little fat. So you get diezmillo, I think it's called diezmillo or bola.
Okay.
Those are the softest.
All right. So the esmillo or bola, if you go to the Mexican store,
Yes.
I guess if you go to the non-Mexican store, just get the meat that has a little fat on it,
A little bit, yeah.
a little bit, and there you go.
No more onions. And it has to be red wine vinegar.
Red wine vinegar. If you have any more questions about the recipe, there's Carmen posted the ingredients earlier on her Inca cookie page. You can go there and peruse through the posts, and you can see all the ingredients and the preparation that you need to make lomo. So if you didn't have the ingredients today, you can get it ready and have this as a nice Saturday dish.
Yes, that's true.
It's true.
And stop paying $20 at the restaurant.
Stop paying $20 at the overrated Peruvian restaurants.
Well, no.
Ah!
Okay, there's one restaurant in Concord. It's pretty good. I like the atmosphere. I like the place. I like
The atmosphere.
the customer service is good, and the food is good. And it's a new restaurant. It's not the old restaurant.
We gotta name names. And I'm gonna name names.
All right, so this is, we can mix it up with that one. Yes, now we're good.
Now we good. Look at that. You have your veggies. You have your protein. You have your carbs. Could you make a carb-friendly version?
Yes,
of
you
this?
can make with yuca.
Yuca.
Yuca, it's a low carb version, especially for the people that are diabetics. Yuca is another version instead of potatoes. And that's it, people. Ta-da!
And then
Yum.
for a gluten-free version, you just don't add anything.
Hello, yuca is gluten-free.
Oh, well.
Hello. Oh, soy sauce. There's gluten-free soy sauce as well that you can.
And are the aminos
use.
gluten-free?
Yes, I believe so.
Okay. Cool.
And that's it.
Summer says the kids are having fun watching. But are they being educated?
In this dish, you can see the Asian influence in our country, because the soy sauce. Hello. All right, people. Have a nice Friday, and I hope you enjoy the food and the recipe. And let me know if you make it, how it came out.
Yes. Anything else?
Nope, that's it. Have a good weekend. Bye.
Don't you have no signature goodbye? No sign out.
Stop it.
Why do you just try to kick?
Nothing.
Mm,
Bye. Have a good weekend.
I'm not
If you have-
finishing it. Answer that question.
Nothing. Time to eat. Come on.
See. Okay. All right. All right. Yeah, guys, have a good day. Watch it on the replay if you didn't get to watch it right now. And enjoy when you make it. All right. Bye.